Welcome to the weather brief by the National Weather Service in Albuquerque on October 15th, 2021. We'll start off with a look at the weather map here. We got temperatures across western and northern New Mexico in the upper 20s to low 30s, lots of places at freezing or below. 43, a bit warmer here in Albuquerque, and 43 at Socorro as well. Many places across the eastern plains are seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, a little bit cooler the further west you go towards the I-25 corridor. But one thing you might notice is if we zoom out here, you'll see freeze watches have been issued by our neighbors in Colorado and in the Texas Panhandle, and by the Midland office for northern Lee County. And this is for forecasted freeze temperatures for Saturday morning. We could be seeing these freeze watches be extended further west into our forecast area for portions of the eastern plains that have not yet seen their first freeze of the season. Looking at the forecast for today, we've got temperatures generally in the upper 50s across western and northern New Mexico, and in the low 60s through the middle Rio Grande Valley from Albuquerque to Socorro and across eastern New Mexico. And the warmest spot is going to be Roswell, reaching near 70 degrees today. This is pretty much cool, about 10 degrees colder than yesterday's readings across eastern New Mexico, and that's thanks to a backdoor cold front that has come through this past night, bringing a weak northerly wind shift through the area. Going on into tonight, into Saturday night, or Saturday morning rather, the forecast right now has those temperatures across the eastern plains where I had mentioned the freeze watches could be extended right near or just above freezing. And this forecast could change. If this forecast changed by a couple degrees, we could be seeing those freeze watches extended into those areas. Even so, it's probably best to be precautionary if anybody has any concerns over freezing temperatures, to go ahead and just take those necessary precautions to protect any outdoor plants or anything that they may need to do to protect against freezing temperatures tonight. Going on into the weekend for Saturday, temperatures warm up into the mid to upper 60s for many areas. It's going to be really nice this weekend. I highly recommend, if you get a chance to enjoy the outdoors, take advantage of that opportunity. Sunday's going to be as nice as Saturday, just with temperatures a little bit warmer, closer to 70 degrees for many areas. By Monday, there could be a few showers that reach western or central New Mexico, at least the high terrain. Some models are beginning to show that, but I think at best it's going to be a few sprinkles. Really, the main sensible weather impact here is going to be increased winds, thanks to an approaching weather system that is expected to pass to our north along the Wyoming and Colorado border. So the showers depicted here on the weather map probably not going to be noticeable to many people, at least as the forecast is reading right now. We will see temperatures continue to rise and just strengthening southwest to westerly winds. By Tuesday, we'll see temperatures continue to stay warm across the eastern plains, mid-60s across the western and northern fringes of the state here. And we'll continue to see elevated southwest to westerly winds, as well as that system continues to traverse west to east over Colorado and Wyoming. Winds decrease by day 6 or Wednesday, and we'll see temperatures staying fairly consistent. 60s across western and northern New Mexico, 70s further south and east you go. And that forecast pattern holds true through Thursday and towards the end of next week. So to recap, it'll be a cold start to the morning to today. Could see some first freezes ending the growing season across parts of the eastern plains by Saturday morning. Otherwise, the weekend is going to be really pleasant. Like I said before, if you got a chance to enjoy the outdoors this weekend, take advantage of that. We'll see winds increase out of the southwest and west for Monday and Tuesday. There may be a stray shower reaching a lucky person here or there over the northern mountains Monday, but really count on the winds, if anything, on Monday. And then lighter, more relaxed weather pattern takes hold for Wednesday, and consistent temperatures in the 60s across western and northern New Mexico and near 70 across eastern New Mexico. With that, thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact or email us at the National Weather Service. Have a good day.